Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can be able to use the same Telegram account on two devices. You're going to learn how to use the same Telegram account on multiple devices. Telegram is a cloud-first messenger designed to let you use the same account on multiple devices simultaneously. That means your chats, media, contacts and settings sync across phones, tablets, desktop and the web. Using one Telegram account on two devices is straightforward, and I'm going to be showing you guys the step-by-step process on how you can do it. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do it to like, subscribe and leave a comment. So let's get started. The first step you have to take now is to download and install the Telegram app into the second device that you want to use to create the same Telegram account. So let me go over to my Play Store since I'm using an Android device. So let me tap on my Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, go over to your App Store. So once your Play Store opens up, then you tap on the search icon below. So let me tap on it. So now let me tap on the search bar at the top. Then let me go ahead now to type in Telegram. Just type in Telegram, Telegram. Let me type it quickly. Then after that, then you tap on search down there. You can see it down there. So let me tap on it. You can see searching it out. Right there is the Telegram app. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So I'll tap on it now so you see it clearly. Let me tap on it. I believe you can see it more clearly now. So for you to download and install this app into your phone, what you can do now is to tap on install. You can see install right there. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. Right there, guys, can see it's already loading up. It's going to start downloading in a few seconds. So let's wait a few seconds. You can see, guys, it has started downloading. So let's wait till it gets to 100%. And once it's fully downloaded 100%, it's going to start installing automatically. So let's wait a few seconds. It's already downloading. You can see, guys, it's downloading. This is taking a little longer. I don't know, my internet connection isn't that strong, but hopefully it's going to get done in a few seconds. You can see it's downloading. Right there, guys, can see it's done downloading and it's now installing. You can see now the app is already installed. So what I'm going to do now is to tap on open on the right hand side. So let me tap on open to open up the Telegram app. Let me tap on it. You can see it there. You can see the Telegram app is opening. So the next step I have to take now is to tap on where you can see start messaging. You can see down there. So let me tap on it. Then you can see what's written here. It says, please allow Telegram to receive calls so that you can automatically confirm your phone number. So let me tap on continue. It says allow Telegram to make and manage phone calls. So let me tap on allow. Then right here is the next step. It says your phone number. They say please enter your country's code and enter your phone number. So guys, the first step is to select your country. You have to select your country. Then after that, you input your phone number. So let me go ahead now to select my country. You can see where it's written country right there at the top. So let me quickly tap on it. But before I do that, let me mention this. The phone number you're going to input here is going to be the phone number that you used in creating the Telegram account in the first device. You have to input the same phone number because this video is about using the same Telegram account on different device. So let me tap on country. Let me tap on where it is written country to select my country. That is very important. Now let me scroll through. You can see there are different countries right here. Just scroll through to look for your own country. Let me keep scrolling. Mine is down there. Let me scroll. Where is it? So let me keep scrolling down. Okay, I've seen my country. Let me tap on it. You can see, guys, my country has been selected, and if you notice, immediately I selected my country code appeared there. You can see it right there. You can see it right there being underlined. So what I will do now is to go ahead now to input my phone number. Make sure the country code is the same with your country. Every country has its own country code, so make sure of that. Let me input my phone number real quick. Let me input it. You can see I'm typing it in. Right there, guys, can see I'm done inputting my phone number. So now the next step I have to take now is to simply tap on next. I think there is no other thing, so let me tap on next. Then look at what is written here. It says, is this the correct number? Of course. So let me tap on yes on the right hand side. Let me tap on it. Then it says please allow Telegram to read call logs so that we can automatically enter your code for you. So let me tap on continue, and that will be nice. So let me tap on continue. It says allow Telegram to access phone call logs. So let me tap on allow. You can see, guys, it's loading. You can see it right there. The arrow is pointing at it. It's loading up. So let's just wait a few seconds. Right here is the next step. It says add email. They said please enter your valid email address to protect your account. What you have to do now is to provide a valid email. Just go ahead now to input your email. You can see the box where it is provided to input it. You can see it right there. So what I will do now is to quickly input my email. Which email am I going to use now? I have several, so let me just use this one. Let me type it in, then let me just paste it real quick. You can see, guys, I've pasted my email address. So what I'm going to do now is to go over to the next step. So let me tap on the next icon on the right hand side. Right here is the next step. It says verification code. They said please check your email. So what you have to do now is to go over to your email inbox, the email address that you provided. Go over to the email inbox. You're going to see a verification code that has been sent into that email, and it's a 6-digit code. Just go and get it. So what I'm going to do now is to go and get the code from my email. Let me just simply scroll down from the top of my phone. You can see I've already gotten a notification from my email. You can see it right there, Telegram. You can see the code. Let me tap on it to open it up. Then here is the email that I got. You can see the code within the email. So what I'm going to do now is to quickly copy this. So let me copy the code. You can see the code right there. Let me tap on copy to copy it. You can see I've copied it. So let me go back now to the Telegram app. Let me tap on it to open. Then let me go ahead now to paste the code. Just paste it. Let me paste. You can see I've pasted it and it's loading up. It's loading. Right here, guys, is the next step. It says enter code. We have sent an SMS with an activation code to your phone number. So guys, what they have to do now is to go and get the code, and there are 3 ways they can get this code across to you. They can either get it through SMS text message. They can send you the code via text message, and also they can send it via your WhatsApp account. So if you have created a WhatsApp account using this same phone number that you provided here, then you have to go over to the WhatsApp account, open it up. You might receive a code there as well. Then the third option they might use is that they might send the code to your Telegram account. Remember, want to log in this same Telegram account on another device, so you have to go over to the other device that your Telegram account is logged in. You will get the code as well. So they might send the code via SMS text message or via WhatsApp accounts created with the same phone number, or through your Telegram account on other device. So guys, take note of that. So let me go ahead now to get the code. I think I received the notification right now. So let me scroll down from the top of my phone. You can see this is the pop-up notification. You can see it right there. It is from WhatsApp. So let me tap on it now to open it up. Right here, guys, can see this is the code that has been sent. You can see it's from Telegram. You can see it right there. It's written Telegram 94973 is your verification code. So guys can see, like I said, you can get it via WhatsApp. So what I'm going to do now is to go ahead now to copy it, and it seems you can't copy the code alone. So what I'm going to do now is to copy the whole of the text. So let me copy the whole of the text, then let me paste it right here on WhatsApp. I want to single out the code, so let me paste it right here. Then let me copy only the code, which is 94973. Let me copy it quickly. Then let me go back now to Telegram to continue the process. So what I'm going to do now is to paste it. So let me paste it. You can see I've pasted it and it's loading. Right here is the next step. It says allow Telegram to send you notifications. So let me go ahead now to tap on allow. I need notifications from Telegram. Let me tap on it. Well, guys, you can see I've been able now to set up the same Telegram account on another device. You can see it right here. You can see this Telegram account has contacts. It's not a new Telegram account. You can see notifications are coming in. So this I can be able to use the same Telegram account on 2 devices. This I can be able to use the same Telegram account on multiple devices. So guys, I've been able now to show you how I can do it. Please do it to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye.